Assalamualaikum grade A7 students, chapter number 8. We are doing today revision of page number 87 till 93 today. You know what is this? A figural model of atom. Atom is the building block of matter. You can make atom models like this as well. This is the history how atoms knowledge was developed. This is the atoms and molecules. Atom is made up of neutron, proton and electrons. Electrons are outside the nucleus, and in nucleus proton and neutrons are found. You can see here is the pictorial representation is shown. At page number 88 it is also told that how the atom were discovered and how we show atom, what is inside atom. At the bottom, Bohr model is shown how atom is represented. You can draw using the same colors in your journals. Neutrons and protons are in nucleus. Electrons are outside the nucleus in orbitals or shells. The first shell is K, second shell is L, third shell is M. Okay, you have to remember these names, symbols and number of protons, neutrons and atomic number. You can draw atoms like this. First you should draw the shells so that you can do that well. Ready your journals? Draw first 11 atoms like this. These are the shells which are drawn first. Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to do drawing of atoms. You know that very well that atoms are the smallest particle of matter. After 1,000 years development theory of scientists, we have discovered that atoms are actually made up of protons, positively charged particles, electrons, negatively charged particles, and neutrons which have no charge. So, these smallest particles of matter, which are the building blocks of matter, are further made up of subatomic particles. Then, after the STM, scanning tunneling microscope use and research of many scientists, we have come to this analysis that we can draw atoms for our easiness like this. I have arranged here first 11 atoms of the periodic table. The simplest one is hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom has only one proton. I have shown proton with red color and one electron. I have shown electron and electronic shells with white color. So hydrogen has only one proton in nucleus and one electron in its shell, and the shell name is K. Helium atom has two protons, two neutrons and two electrons in K shell. Next comes the lithium atom. Lithium atom has two electrons in its K shell. Start. Lithium has three protons in its nucleus and three neutrons in its nucleus. Here is the chain. The K shell has two electrons. Now K shell cannot have more than two electrons. So its third electron has gone to second shell. Second shell name is L. I have shown here L with blue color. So second shell has one electron in lithium atom. You can also draw these atoms in your journals by using lids of bottles. Here we go with beryllium atom. In beryllium atom, there are 4 protons, 4 neutrons, there might be 5 neutrons, and 4 electrons, 2 in K shell and 2 in L shell. Now we move on boron atom. Boron atom has 5 protons, positively charged particles, 5 neutrons or more than that, but because its shells are totally completely filled. Here we move to sodium atom, that is making salt mostly. Sodium has 11 protons and 11 electrons. See, 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons in L shell and 1 electron in the outermost shell, that is M shell.
Till now we have done page number 91. Draw the diagrams in your journals. At page number 92 is the mass number and isotope given. What is mass number? It is the number of protons and neutrons in an atom. These are very important properties of every atom. The more neutrons in an atom, the more heavier it is, so the density differs. In isotopes, sometimes it happens, like in carbon atom, some of its atoms have 6 neutrons, some of them have 7, and some of them have 8 neutrons. The atomic number remains same. It means electrons are 6 and protons are 6, but the number of neutrons is varying. So these different atoms are known as isotopes. These different versions of same element are known as isotopes. Scientists name isotopes by putting the mass number after the name of the element. For example, in uranium, U-235. In this case, the total number of neutrons and protons in the nucleus of uranium is 235. There is another example. The commonest isotope of the element carbon is C12, which has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. There is one more, that is C13, carbon 13. One more, that is C14. You know what are the number of neutrons in them. The isotopes that are not stable are called radioisotopes because they decay after some time and turn into some other atoms. These types are like uranium. Uranium-3 isotopes are radioactive. These radioisotopes are used in atomic energy. Atomic energy is a type of energy that is produced when any atom is broken. Hope you all will be making now atoms clearly and your all confusions will be cleared. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.